Welcome to UK's driving theory test topic alertness. In this topic, you will learn what's going on around you, being seen by other road users, being aware of other road users, anticipating what other road users are going to do, keeping your concentration on the road and avoiding distractions. Being alert to what's going on around you is vital to driving safely and will help you to avoid dangerous situations. Observation and awareness is more important while you're driving to make sure that other road users to take care of pedestrians, signs and road markings, weather conditions, the area you're driving through. Scanning the road ahead and the sides and access the changing situations as you drive. Before you move off, you should use your mirrors to check how your actions will affect traffic behind you. Look around for a final check, including checking the blind spots around your car and also the signal if necessary. Listen this topic so patiently because these questions will be asked during your exam. You will get 2 to 3 questions from this topic as well. Blind spot. The blind spot is nothing but the area behind you that you are unable to see in mirrors. It's mainly useful when you are reversing your vehicle. If you can't see behind you when reversing, ask someone to guide you to make sure that you are reversed safely. If your view is blocked by parked cars when you are coming out of a junction, move forward slowly and carefully until you have a clear view. Overtaking. Observation is particularly important when you are overtaking another vehicle. Make sure that you can see the road ahead clearly, looking out for mainly vehicles coming towards you, whether you are near a junction, whether the road gets narrower, bends or dips in the road which will make it difficult for you to see traffic coming towards you. Road signs that means you must not overtake. Before you overtake, check that it's safe, legal and necessary. You have enough time to complete the overtaking. It's always important for other road users to know you are there. Switch on your lights when it starts to get darker, even if the street lights aren't on. Where you can't be seen, such as at a hump bridge, you may need to use your horn. Also, remember, if you are following a large vehicle, stay well back. This will help the drivers to see in the mirrors. Staying back will also help to see the road ahead much more clearly. This is especially important if you are planning to overtake the vehicle. Remember, if you can't see a large vehicle's mirror, the driver can't see you. Anticipation can help you to avoid problems and incidents so that you can drive more safely. For example, when you are driving, you will be able to see a sign in a circle stating to go with a speed of 30 mph in a circle. The circle with a number is a giveaway sign that warns you that a junction is ahead so you can slow down in good time. Look at the road signs and markings. These give you information about hazards. You should follow their advice, slow down if necessary. The road signs is in circle, it means it's giving order. Triangle means it gives warnings. Rectangle means it's giving information. Be cautious of these road signs. As shown in the figure, when you are turning right onto a dual carriageway, check that the central reservation is wide enough for your vehicle to stop in, especially if you are towing a trailer. Do this in case you have to wait before joining the traffic. If there is not enough space for your vehicle, only emerge when it's clear both to the right and left. Dual carriageway is nothing but a road that has a central reservation to separate the carriageways. What is central reservation? Central reservation is an area of land that separates opposing lanes of traffic. And also make sure that if you are approaching traffic lights that have been green for some time, be prepared to stop because they may change. Road conditions will affect how easy it is to anticipate what might happen. It's some difficult when the weather is very wet or windy, the light is poor, the traffic volume is heavy, the routes you are driving is new to you. Watch other road users. Try to anticipate their actions so that you are ready if you need to slow down or change direction. Also be aware of more vulnerable road users. Watch out for pedestrians approaching a crossing, especially young, older or disabled people who may need more time to cross the road. The cyclist. Always pass slowly and leave plenty of room, especially if the cyclist is young and may have little experience of dealing with traffic. Motorcyclist who may be difficult to see. Horses which may be startled by the noise of your vehicle. Pass them slowly and leave plenty of room. Always be ready to stop. Get well prepared you are. You may still have to stop quickly in an emergency. Keep both hands on the wheel as you brake to help you to keep control of your vehicle. Staying focused, drive safely, takes a lot of concentration as well as controlling the car. You need to be aware of what's happening on the road and what could happen next. Stay focused on driving and try not to get distracted. Always plan your journey so that you know which route you need to take. Have regular rest stops. Make sure that you're not tired while driving. If you are tired, it's particularly easy to feel sleepy when driving on a motorway, especially at night. So don't drive continuously for more than 2 hours. Keep fresh air circulating in the car. If you start to feel drowsy, leave at the next exit. Find a safe and legal place to stop and take a break. Distraction. It's easy to get distracted by what's happening in your car. Devices such as phones, music players, and navigation system can divide your concentration between the road ahead and what you're hearing. Do you know losing your concentration or just taking your eyes off the road for a second could be disastrous? At 60 miles per hour, your vehicle will travel 27 meters in 1 second. Using a mobile phone while you're driving is illegal. It also increases the chance of being involved in a collision. Even using a hand-free phone is not safe because you can still be distracted from driving by making a call. Make sure that you be safe. Switch your phone off or put it on a voicemail. Wait until you're parked legally in a safe place before you use your mobile phone to retrieve any messages, make any calls, send or receive text, or go online. If you're driving on a motorway, you should leave the motorway and stop in a safe place before using your phone. If you have a navigation system that stop while driving, stop in a safe place before programming the system. You could also be distracted by something that has happened on the road, such as an incident on the other side of a motorway. Don't slow down or try to see what's happening. Continue with your journey and keep your concentration on your driving. This is most important to not to get distracted. These standards are main important. The national standards for driving sets out the skills, knowledge and understanding that DVSA believes are required to be a safe and responsible driver. If you know, understand or able to do the things described in the standard, then you will not only be in a great position to pass your test, but will also be well on your way to becoming a safe driver for life. You can view the national standard for driving at www.go.uk. And also make sure that you must be able to decide if you are fit to drive. You should be so healthy, not ill, and not to be emotional while driving or take the influence of drugs or alcohol. Manage your passengers so that they don't stop you driving safely. Be aware of what's around you, near and far away at all times. Drive at such a speed that you can always stop in the clear space ahead of you. You must also know and understand how poor seating position and bad posture can make you tired, and also to deal with passengers if they make it hard for you to concentrate on the road. And also some cars have large pillars that block your view, and how to deal with this. And also road ahead and be prepared for the unexpected. Get prepared to read this topic or view this video 2 to 3 times so that the topics I covered will be helpful to write the exam. I'm going to share a video of all the questions that were asked about this topic. Hope that video helps you. And also, if you really like this topic, kindly let me know in your comment section. Please do like, share and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. Bye.